Two sets are said to be disjoint if they have no elements or members in common. Equally, two disjoint sets are sets whose intersection is the empty set. For example, the intersection of sets A and B is empty as shown on screen. This means that there are no elements common to both sets, so we'd have no elements in the intersection. Let's move further. Disjoint sets. Now here we have two sets, sets P with elements 1, 2, 3 and set Q with elements 5, 6, 7. Looking at both sets, there is no element common to these sets, hence the intersection would be an empty or null set. Now if we are to represent this on a Venn diagram, this is how it would look. The circles in a Venn diagram, which represents the subsets of the universal set, which we know is the bigger set or the larger set that contains all the other subsets, these circles do not overlap in the case of a disjoint set. All we do, we place them apart and put the elements of each individual set in the subset that they belong to. Now let's look at its opposite. Now here we have sets P and Q. Set P has elements 1, 2, 3, while set Q has elements 3, 6, 7. Now if we were to work on the intersection of these sets, then the intersection of sets P and Q would be 3. On a Venn diagram, which we would oftentimes see, this is how it would look. As you can see, 3 being the element common to both sets P and Q, it was placed where the circles overlap, thus forming the intersection. As for the elements 1 and 2 that are unique to sets P only, they are placed in the section reserved for that, and for elements 6 and 7 that can only be found in set Q, they were placed in the section that is reserved for that.